Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video I will teach you about ternary operator or the shorthand if-else. It is known as ternary operator because it consists of three operands and it can be used to replace multiple lines of code with a single line. It is often used to replace simple if-else statements. So let me show you how it works. For example, you have two numbers. A is 5 and B is 4, and you want to find out which one is the largest number. So to do that, you can take a variable that will be, suppose, result, and here we will put the condition that if A more than B, then print out A, or else print out B. Here we are fulfilling if-else statement in this single line. Within the parenthesis we are giving the condition that is A more than B, and here if A is more than B, that means our condition is satisfied and the answer will be A, and colon indicates that if the condition does not satisfy, then the ultimate or the default result will be B. And if we will print this, and put the result in it, then you can see we will get 5 as the result, because 5 is greater than 4. Here you can see we got 5, and this is how ternary operator works. You can use complex ternary operators also, but that will be for the future videos. Till then, take care and goodbye.